taking control of your finances and building wealth. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you dream of early retirement but feel overwhelmed by the thought of saving and investing? This video is for you. We'll break down complex financial concepts into simple, actionable steps so you can take control of your finances and build the wealth you deserve. Disclaimer: this video is for informational purposes only and not financial advice. Please consult a licensed financial advisor for personalized guidance. Budgeting is the foundation of financial freedom. It's about understanding where your money is going and making conscious decisions about how to allocate it. Without a budget, you're essentially driving blind. Tracking your income and expenses is the first step. Use a spreadsheet, budgeting app, or even a notebook to record every dollar that comes in and goes out. This will give you a clear picture of your spending habits. Look for practical hacks to reduce spending. Can you cut back on eating out? Are there subscriptions you no longer use? Small changes can add up to significant savings over time. Strategic allocation is key. Once you know where your money is going, you can start allocating funds more effectively. Prioritize needs over wants, and make sure you're putting money towards your financial goals. The 50-30-20 rule is a popular and simple budgeting method. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. This provides a good balance. Zero-based budgeting requires you to allocate every dollar you earn. This means that your income minus your expenses equals zero. It's a more detailed approach that can help you be more intentional with your spending. Choosing the right approach depends on your lifestyle and preferences. Experiment with different methods to find one that works for you and that you can stick with long-term. Consistency is key. An emergency fund is crucial for unexpected expenses. It acts as a financial safety net, preventing you from going into debt when life throws you a curveball. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Automating savings is a powerful way to build your emergency fund and reach other financial goals. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account each month. Setting realistic goals is essential for staying motivated. Don't try to save too much too quickly. Start small and gradually increase your savings rate as you become more comfortable. Increasing your income can significantly accelerate your savings progress. Consider taking on a side hustle or negotiating a raise at your current job. Every extra dollar counts. Investing can seem intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. The key is to start small, learn as you go, and focus on the long term. Don't let fear hold you back from building wealth. Stocks represent ownership shares in companies. When you buy stock, you're essentially becoming a part owner of that company. Stocks offer the potential for high returns, but also come with higher risk. Bonds are essentially loans you make to a government or corporation. They typically offer lower returns than stocks, but are also considered less risky. Bonds can provide stability to your portfolio. Mutual funds are diversified investment portfolios managed by professionals. They pool money from many investors to buy a variety of stocks, bonds, or other assets. This diversification helps to mitigate risk. Long-term investing allows you to ride out market fluctuations and benefit from the power of compounding. Don't try to time the market. Instead, focus on consistently investing over time. Diversification is crucial for mitigating risk. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes, industries, and geographic regions. The power of compound interest is truly remarkable. It's the ability to earn returns on your returns, allowing your money to grow exponentially over time. Start investing early to maximize the benefits of compounding. You have the power to change your financial future. Don't let fear or overwhelm hold you back. Take the first step today and start building the wealth you deserve. Here's a clear roadmap to financial independence. 1. Create a budget. 2. Build an emergency fund. 3. Start investing even if it's just a small amount. 4. Stay consistent and patient. Here's some actionable advice. Open a brokerage account. Set up automatic transfers to your savings and investment accounts. Read books and articles about personal finance. Seek advice from a financial advisor if needed. Combining budgeting, saving, and investing is the key to building wealth. These 3 strategies work together to create a powerful financial foundation. Don't neglect any of them. Working towards a secure future is within your reach. By taking control of your finances and making smart decisions, you can achieve your financial goals and live the life you've always dreamed of. We promise a path towards a more secure and fulfilling future. It requires effort and discipline, but the rewards are well worth it. Start today, and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Ready to take control of your financial future? Start by creating a simple budget today. Then, open a high-yield savings account and set up automatic transfers. Finally, research beginner-friendly investment options like index funds. Don't wait. Your future self will thank you. Subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and tricks, and share this video with someone who needs it. Let's build wealth together. Thank you for watching.